Hello guys! For today's video is gagawa tayo ng content na it's about Get to Know Me Challenge. So kanina is nag-post ako sa page, baka meron silang mga question na gustong malaman sa akin. Then nag-list din ako ng mga question na madalas tinatanong sa akin ng mga tao in personal. Ngayon ko siya sasagutin lahat.
Birthday and age.
So my birthday is on April 1, 2003 and my age is 22.
Zodiac sign.
Aries.
Saan kayo pinanganak?
So, pinanganak ako guys sa Pornaga, Magsaysay, Occidental, Mindoro. So, shout out sa mga taga Pornaga dyan.
Favorite food.
So, my favorite food guys is adobo.
Color.
Since birth, ang favorite color ko na talaga is purple hanggang ngayon.
Do you have favorite movie?
My favorite movie is wala. Kung ano lang yung makita ko is pinapanood ko.
What is your comfort food or drink?
My comfort food and drinks is iced coffee, fries, and siomai.
Are you an introvert or extrovert or both?
Same lang guys. Madalas ay paras ko siyang nagagawa. Depende sa mood.
One habit that people notice about you.
Maingay. Ganun ako pag kinakabahan ako, nanonotice nila na ang daldal ko. Kahit wala sa punto kung ano na sinasabi ko, mawala lang yung kaba ko.
Are you organized person or messy?
Organized. Nagiging messy lang ako kapag nagmamadali.
Are you an emotional person?
Yes. Very emotional. Lalo na kapag may mga words ako na naririnig na unexpected. Yun.
What is your hobby?
My hobbies is video, yun yung kumukuha ko ng mga clips, ganun.
Are you into arts or sports?
Arts. Wala nga ako halos alam sa sa sports.
Any skill that you want to learn now?
Video editing and gitara.
What is your favorite pastime?
Favorite pastime ko yung tambay lang with music and coffee.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be content creator, vlogger, ganun.
What motivates you?
My family and thought na meron din akong purpose sa buhay.
What is your biggest fear?
Family ko and yung magkaroon ako ng failure sa buhay.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Maging mas confident pa and stable.
For the last question, what is the greatest accomplishment of your life so far?
Feeling ko yung biggest accomplishment ko sa ngayon is kaya ko nang tumayo sa sarili ko, then naharap ko na yung mga challenges and problems kagad na nagagawa ko agad siya ng solution. So yun lang guys, thank you for asking me a question, then see you on my next vlog.